Alrighty, same wheel. Here's your 408 small block Ford. Give description of this combination. It's got a Edelbrock manifold on it. Quick fuel carburetor, MSD Pro Billet, custom grind hydraulic roller. Got the front sump oil pan on it. Wonder to make a run. See if it does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3,500, 501 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 518, peak horsepower 479, we're rated at 450, so everything's good. We'll pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean, show you a couple things here when you sleeve your engine. Find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card, it is full of technical information. In the crate will be this engine spec sheet, it'll have some stuff on it, really recommend reading it. Have a great day.